So hello everyone. This is the third part of our discussion on the topic integration by partial fraction decomposition. So in this video lesson, we will focus on discussing the second case of the technique. And the second case is when the denominator is written as a product of some repeated linear factors. So merong exponent yung ating linear factor na ax plus b. So ano ang gagawin natin? So if that is the case, then r of x over q of x will be of this form. So nakadepende siya kung ano yung exponent ng linear factor natin. So if the exponent is 3, that means that the linear factor of degree 1, degree 2, and degree 3, it will be included in the decomposition. So that means that tatlong partial fractions yung makikita sa ating decomposition. Okay? So para mas maintindihan, let's consider this example here. So we have the integral of x raised to 4 plus x squared plus 16x minus 12 all over x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 4 plus 4x cubed dx. Now, first thing that we will do is to factor the denominator. So, ang pinaka-obvious na factor dito is yung x cubed. Tama? So, from that, this is now the integral of x raised to 4 plus x squared plus 16x minus 12 all over cx cubed na factor times, so x squared na lang yung matitira sa x raised to 5 minus 4x na lang for 4x raised to 4 and 4 na lang kay 4x cubed. Okay? dx. And observe that x squared minus 4x plus 4 is also factorable. And the factors are x raised to 4. So, copy muna natin yung numerator. Okay? Then, the denominator will become x cubed. The factors of x squared minus 4x plus 4 ay dalawang x minus 2. So, that is just x minus 2 raised to 2 dx. So, as you can see, our factors here are repeated linear factors. So, the first one is si x. Repeated siya 3 times kasi x cubed. Then, si x minus 2 is repeated 2 times. Okay? So, from that, we will now apply the decomposition. Okay? So, magde-decompose na tayo. Kopyahin muna natin yung expression. So, that is x raised to 4 plus x squared plus 16x minus 12 all over x cubed x minus 2 squared. Okay? And that is, for x cubed, may tatlo tayong partial fractions. So that will be a over x plus b over, for degree 2, x squared, until c over x cubed. Okay? Kasi nga, x cubed siya. Tatlong beses siyang na-repeat. And also, plus for x minus 2, so d over x minus 2, degree 1 muna, then e over x minus 2 squared. Okay? So that will be our decomposition. Now, in this case, kailangan natin hanapin yung values ng a, b, c, and d, and also e. Okay? So from that, the same process, we will eliminate first the denominator. So that is x cubed x minus 2 squared, and also here we have x cubed x minus 2 squared. Okay, so after that you multiply, this will be eliminated. So what's left is x raised to 4 plus x squared plus 16x minus 12 equal to, i-distribute nyo yung yung minultiply natin, yung multiplier to every term. Dyan. So, 5 yan. So, that will be, diretso na natin, that is a x squared na lang kasi may x sa baba. Then, you have x minus 2 squared plus b times times x na lang kasi x squared yung denominator. Then you have x minus 2 squared. Also, we have c, mawawala yung x squared, x cubed. Then, dx cubed, mawawala yung isang x minus 2. And e times x cubed na lang. Okay? So, the same process yung gagamitin natin sa yung ginawa natin from case 1 and case, from case 1. So, we will let values of x here, okay, that will help us easily solve the problem. So, sa first x that I will use is 0 kasi mawawala yung, masi-zero yung mga x dyan. So, madali na siya i-solve. So, we let x be equal to 0. That means that we have 0 raised to 4 plus 0 squared plus 16 times 0 minus 12 is equal to lahat ng x dito gagawin nating 0. So that is this one. Okay? So i-follow nyo lang. Ginawa ko lang 0 lahat ng x. Okay? Okay. Almost done. Okay, so from that, let's simplify. So this will become, so left hand side, this is negative 12 na lang. Dito, this is 0. This is 0, this is 0, and also this one. Right? So what's left here is 4c na lang. And from that, we have c is equal to negative 30. Okay? Ayan. I hope that is clear. Next, another obvious na value ni x na makakapag-solve sa atin ng equation na to is si 2. Kasi dito meron tayong x minus 2. Kung 2 minus 2 yan, magiging 0. So I will choose 2. So from that, we have 2 raised to 4 plus 2 squared plus 16 times 2 minus 12 equal to, okay, lahat ng x gawin lang natin 2. Okay. Okay. So, sundan nyo lang siya. Okay, so ayan. So what will happen here? This is 0. This is also 0. This is 0. And also this one here, right? So what's left now is, ito is 16 plus 420 plus 32, 52 minus 12. So that is 40 equal to, this is 8. E. So that means that E is equal to 5. Okay? Okay. Now, dito, wala na tayong makitang obvious na value ni x. Okay? Na makakapagpa-0 ng every term. So, therefore, we can just let any x na. Okay? Sa case na to. So, first, I will choose 1 na muna. No? So, that is ito. So, lahat ng x gagawin ko munang 1. Okay, this is okay. Okay. Plus d1 cube 1 minus 2 and e times 1 cube. Okay. Sige. So we will now solve. So in this case, we have 1 raised to 4 plus 1 squared plus 16 minus 12. So that is just 6. So this is just 6, right? Then we have, this is just 1. positive 1, negative 1 squared, so positive lahat yan. So A, plus same here, B, also for C, then also for D, this is negative D, and for E, that is positive E. Now, since we have values of C and E, we can substitute it directly here. So you have 6 is equal to A plus B minus 3 minus D, then plus 5, right? Okay, then after that, negative 3 plus 5 is 2, then lipat natin siya sa kabila, so that will become negative 2, so magiging 4 na lang ito, tama? And you have A plus B minus D. Okay, so we now have this equation. Okay, so we come up with an equation with 3 unknown variables. Okay, sige. So let's add more, kasi tatlo yan, so we need another 2. So we will have x equal to 3 muna. Okay, ayan. So this is 3 raised to 4 plus 3 squared. Okay, lahat ng x magiging 3 equals, okay, so medyo marami to. Okay, so 3 minus 2 squared plus b times ito is 3 cube, 3 minus 2 and e times 3 cube. Okay, then let's simplify this one here. So this is 81, this is 9 plus 48, then minus 12, that is 126, right? Then after that, see, ito is 1, so 9a na lang. Ito is also 1, so 3b. Okay, next we have, this is 1, so c. Then for d, this is 1, so 27b. And e is also 27. Okay, then let's substitute the values of c and e. So we have 126 equal to 9a plus 3b. C again is negative 3 plus 27d plus 27. E is 5. Okay, so 27 times 5 is 135 minus 3 is 132. So ilipat natin yung 132 sa kabila, so that is negative 132 plus 126, that is negative 6, right? So nagay 9a plus 3b plus 27b. Now observe that every term is divisible by 3, so we divide everything by 3, so that is negative 2 equal to 3a plus b plus 9d. So that is our second equation. Okay, so I hope that is clear. Next, value of x, medyo malaki kung 4, no? So therefore, let's have negative 1 na lang. So x equal to negative 1. So this is negative 1 raised to 4 plus negative 1 squared plus 16 times negative 1 minus 12 equal to, sige, lahat ng x gawin natin negative 1. So negative 1 squared, negative 1 minus 2 squared, b times negative 1, negative 1 minus 2 squared, c negative 1 minus 2, okay, squared plus d times negative 1 cube, negative 1 minus 2, and we have e times negative 1 cube. Okay, then let's simplify. This is positive 1, positive 1, so 2 minus 6, negative 14 minus 12 is negative 26. Equal to, this is 9, positive, so 9a. This is 9 negative, so negative 9b. This is 9c. While this one is negative 3, negative 1, so positive 3d, and this is negative e. Okay, then substitute c and e. That is 9a minus 9b plus 9 times negative 3 plus 3d minus 5, which is our a. So this is negative 27 minus 5 is negative 32. Ipat natin sa kabila, that is positive 32 minus 26. So we have 6 na lang, right? This is 9a minus 9b plus 3d. Okay? Then everything we divide by 3. So this is 2. 3a minus 3b plus b. Okay. So we have this. So we have 3 equations. The first one is this one here. Second is this one, and the third one is ito. So since we have 3 equations with 3 unknown variables, we can actually solve the system of these 3 equations using elimination. So ang gagawin natin is we will add 2 equations. So ipi-pairwise natin itong tatlo. So dalawang pair lang kailangan. Then we will eliminate variables. So the first one, we will add 1 and 2. So we will eliminate, in this case, a. So for equation 1, we have a plus b minus d equals 4, and the second equation is 3a plus b plus 9d equals negative 2. Okay? So from that, para ma-eliminate natin yung a, we will multiply negative 3 here sa first equation. Because if negative 3 itong ang i-multiply, this will become negative 3a. Then adding negative 3 to 3a sa second equation, that will become 0. Okay, so this will now be negative 3a minus 3b plus 3d equals negative 12. And for the second one, copy lang natin, 3a plus b plus 9d equals negative 2. And from that, we now have, this is 0, right? This is 0. So we have negative 2b, then 12d equals negative 14. Okay? Everything is divisible by negative 2. So this is b na lang. Negative 2, so negative 6d. So this is negative 6d. While this one is negative 7. Okay? So this is now our new equation. Let's name this as equation 4. Next thing is we will add 2 and 3. The same variable will be eliminated. So we will eliminate a. So we have, again, equation 2 is 3a plus b plus 9d equals negative 2, while the third equation is 3a minus 3b plus d equals 2. Okay? So from that, para ma-eliminate natin yung a, we will just multiply here negative 1. Okay? So this will become 3a plus b plus 9d equals negative 2, and this is negative 3a plus 3b minus d equals negative 2. So we add, this is just 0. So we have 4b plus 8d is equal to negative 4. Everything is divisible by 4, so that is b. 8 divided by 4 is 2d equals negative 1. So this is our fifth equation. Okay? So the same. For this one, we will add 4 and 5 para isang variable na lang yung matitira. So we will eliminate, mas madali si b, no? So eliminate b. So from that, this is now b minus 6d equals 7, and b plus 2d equals negative 1. So para ma-eliminate yan, we will multiply this by negative 1. Okay, at ito. So we have b minus 6d equals 7, and negative b minus 2d equals 1. So this is 0. So we have negative 8d is equal to 8. That means d is equal to negative 1. So we now have the value of d. Okay? So next we will solve for b. Since pwede nyo gamitin si 4 and 5. So dito, gagamitin ko na lang yung 5. So we have b plus 2d equals negative 1. So that is b plus 2 times negative 1 equal to negative 1. So b is equal to negative 1. Then this is negative 2, so plus 2, so that is 1. Right? So b is equal to 1. And to solve for a, can either use equation 1, 2, or 3. So sa equation 1 na lang. So that is a plus b minus d equals 4. Substitute natin yung b is 1, si d is negative 1 equal to 4. So that means, so this is 1 minus negative 1, so 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, so a is equal to 2. Okay? So complete. We now have the values of a, b, c, and d. Okay? So going back to our problem. Okay, so this is now, sa baba na lang. Okay? So this is now the integral of, ano nga yun? Okay, x raised to 4 plus x squared plus 16x minus 12 over x cubed and x minus 2 squared. Okay, dx. So this is now equal to the integral of first a over x. So our a is 2. That is 2 over x plus b over x squared. B is 1. And c over x cubed. C is negative 3. Tama ba? Oh yeah, negative 3. So this is negative 3 over x cubed. Then we have d is negative 1 over x minus 2. Then plus, we have 5 over x minus 2 squared dx. Okay? So from that, this is now integral of 2 integral of dx over x plus integral of dx over x squared minus 3 integral of dx over x cubed. Then we have minus dx over x minus 2. And last is 5 integral of dx over x minus 2 squared. Okay? So x minus 2 can be written as 1 over x minus x squared can be written as x to the negative 2, while this one is x to the negative 3. So madali na lang i-solve yung integral niyan. Next, dito, you use u substitution. ln yan, di ba? Kagaya ng mga previous example. And dito, we will also use u sub. So itong last na lang ang isosolve natin, asterisk. So we have asterisk dx over x minus 2 squared. So that is, we let u be x minus 2. So du equals dx. So that means that this is du over u squared. And that is, again, 1 over u squared is u to the negative 2. Using the basics, so that is u to the negative 1 over negative 1 plus c, or that is negative of 1 over u plus c, and 1 over u is x minus 2 plus c. Okay? So therefore, final answer for this one is 2. This is ln of the absolute value of x, while this is x to the negative 1 over negative 1. That is negative 3 times x to the negative 2 over negative 2. Next is minus ln of x minus 2, and we have 5 times negative 1 over x minus 2 plus c. So this is now 2 ln of the absolute value of x minus 1 over x plus 3 over 2x squared minus ln of the absolute value of x minus 2, and you have minus 5 over x minus 2 plus c. Okay, so that ends our solution for this problem. Okay, I hope that is clear. Okay, thank you.